15. Salaman Heard. The sea of his soul was moved, and bubbled up with jewels, and he said, O Shah, I am the slave of thy desire. Dust of thy throne ascending foot I am. Whatever thou desirest, I would do. But sicken of my own incompetence, not in the hand of my infirmer will, to carry into deed mine own desire. Time upon time I torture mine own soul, devising liberation from the snare I languish in. But when upon that moon I think my soul relapses, and when look, I leave both worlds behind to follow her. And which worlds are you going to put the preference on? Say you divide it between spiritual, psychological, and the physical. And or perhaps you talk about the three types of creation in the way of you got the clay beings, the fire beings, and the light beings. Are you leaving behind the non-incarnate beings to engage in your carnal opportunities?